Welcome to Arjun's Architectural Designs. Today we shall learn how to convert a 2D plan to 3D in Sketchup using Face Creator. You can see a sample 2D plan in AutoCAD. This plan contains only wall diagram which should be converted to 3D walls. Go to Sketchup and open a new file. Click on File and Import. Select the AutoCAD file to import. Click on Close. Now the 2D AutoCAD plan is imported. After you import, the drawing will be in group. So right-click and explode the drawing to make SketchUp objects. Now select the whole drawing. Click on Extensions and click Enter Auth Face Creator. Observe all the closed entities are converted to faces. Delete the faces which are not required and keep only the wall faces. Select Press Pull command and click on Wall Face to give desired height. This is how you can convert a 2D plan to 3D in SketchUp. Don't forget to convert to group after creating an object. Subscribe our YouTube channel for more content.